In this video, I will explain how to create a personal budget plan on spreadsheet software. And first, I would like to mention some basic things about spreadsheet software. So there are different types of programs or applications that deal with spreadsheet. The one I will be using here is Microsoft Excel. So I already have a Microsoft Excel open here, and I already have a specific file open that I'll be using for this video. Note that there are other programs that are also spreadsheet software, like the LibreOffice suite, with various different types of productivity software, similar to Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, and they have their own open source version. There's also Google Sheets and other applications that deal with spreadsheet information as well. Also realize that there are different file types associated with each program, so you may not easily be able to open a program, that is, open a file if the file was created by a different program. So usually the file types have to be opened by specific programs. So because we are working with Excel, we're also going to be working with .xls and .xlxs file types. And I already went and saved, so I just opened up almost a blank sheet. And I went and saved. You can save as, and if you need to open a new one, you can go to New and open a blank workbook. So each file in Microsoft Excel is a workbook. And within a workbook, there are multiple sheets. And each sheet is this tabular sheet characteristic of spreadsheet software. That is, it's a sheet divided by columns and rows, and each individual intersection of a column and a row is a cell. So every cell has a specific address, a location, and we use letters on the top and numbers on the side, letters for the columns and numbers for the row. So this location here, the cell here is E10, this cell here is H5, so if we refer to H5, it's always going to be this cell here. Now, in each cell, we can add values. So we can add values like numbers or values like words. So let's say if we want to compile a list of our favorite clothes, we can write words, green shirt, brown pants, dark brown shoes, etc. And you can, if you want to make prices that look to be associated with them, you can write them here: 20, 30, 80. And of course, I cannot really tell that these are referring to money, but maybe you will know because that's your own file and so on. Or also you can select these numbers here and go to the cell properties here. There are different ways to go about it. You can right click and go to format cells, and then you can choose a category of number, or you can use it's called ribbon, the icons in the ribbon here to just change it if you want to change it to currency, and then the computer knows to automatically add the dollar signs over here. Okay, so this is the kind of use we have for Microsoft Excel. They're different in spreadsheet software. There are a number of different purposes these software applications serve, but we're just going to focus on a very simple use, that is using it as a personal budget plan. So I'm going to cover some just basic concepts today. I will talk about the tabular data structure of the spreadsheet software. I'll talk about cell properties and cell referencing. And then I will go over some basic program functions, some basic functions that are already provided in the spreadsheet software. So let's go. This will be finished in the second video.